Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Aquanaut strap. First, gather your essential tools: a very sharp blade, a small ruler, and a spring bar tool. Prepare a clean, stable workspace to ensure precision and prevent accidents. Always place your watch on a soft cloth to protect its finish from any potential scratches during the adjustment. This careful preparation is key for a successful strap modification. Now, carefully measure your wrist to determine the ideal strap length. Use a ruler to mark the precise point on the rubber strap where you need to make your cut. Remember, it's always better to cut less and remeasure than to cut too much. With a very sharp, clean blade, make a single, smooth cut. Precision here is crucial for both aesthetics and the integrity of the strap. Once cut, carefully reattach the strap to your Aquanaut's watch case using the spring bar tool. Ensure both sides are firmly secured and the spring bars are properly seated. Now, try the watch on your wrist to assess the fit. It should feel comfortable, not too tight or too loose. If needed, make very small, incremental adjustments, cutting only one segment at a time until the fit is perfect. Finally, confirm that the clasp engages smoothly and holds the strap firmly in place, ensuring your watch is secure. A well-adjusted strap enhances both comfort and the overall look of your Aquanaut. To maintain its pristine condition, regularly clean your rubber strap with mild soap and water. This simple care routine will help preserve its appearance and extend its lifespan. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.